Here's how I've been cutting the body filler out of the roof of my Honda 600 coupe. This has been made into a smooth top coupe. So here's what I've been using is a DeWalt with the serrated tooth. You can see it's a pretty gnarly tool. Variable speed, pretty cool. Well, it's not likely you're going to cut through the metal of the roof because it's not a bimetal saw, and you can hear the tone change when you hit the solid steel as opposed to the body filler. You have to wear your protection. Might also wear a respirator. So this side you have to go at an angle, and this side you have to go vertical. And somebody, besides putting body filler in, they laid fiberglass mat down first. You see it right there. And there's a lot of rust in here. But if you don't take it out and then either put the rubber strips in or redo it, it's just going to continue cracking. Like, it's cracked all the way down. It's not even smooth. It's got a big hump right there. You do that for a little bit, and then you pop it out with a screwdriver. That's it, I'm getting a respirator. And all of a sudden, when COVID hit, these paint respirators got impossible to find. I got my vacuum hooked up now. Alright, so that's about 30 minutes for one whole side, grinding out the body filler. You can see did a pretty good job, and just a lot of cleanup to do, and then pour 13, and then tear out the headliner, and then possibly put some seam sealer along these edges on the inside because there's some rust through spots, and then get it ready to put the rubber strips back in. Alright, that's it.